If you ever considered yourself to be a fan of Digimon, then chances are pretty high you've got some cards from the Digimon Digi-Battle Starter Set deck. I even know of people that never collect the Digimon that have some of these. And that is because this set was so overproduced back in the day that even up to today, over 20 years later, you can still pick up a sealed copy for around €30 on places such as eBay. But there is one thing that a lot of people don't know, and that is that this set also had an alternative holo print. And that, ladies and gents, is what we're gonna talk about today. So I have my Digimon card binder here with me, and indeed it lays open on the starter set pages, which, like I just said, came in these blue boxes. Now, this specific box right here and these cards that you'll see are also opened on this channel a couple of years ago, so if you would be interested in seeing me opening this box, then be sure to check it out. But that is not exactly what we're here, is it? You know, we're here to talk about the holo alternative cards. Now, starting from number 19, the Kugumon, there is 30 alternative holo cards that you could obtain from this starter set as well. And, you know, there is already 3 cards in this set that are holos. We have Hercules Kabuterimon, Saberleomon, as well as Ultra Digivolve. Those 3 cards are mandatory in this set and they will always be a holo. Those are also not part of the holo foil alternative set, although if we go to it right now, you will see in a moment that I do have them included, but that's just because I thought it looked nicer. Now this right here are the 30 cards, or the 33 in this case, of all of these holos that you could obtain. There we go, Hercules, Kabuterimon and Saberleomon are not part, and then I also have the Ultra Digivolve right here in the back, which is also not part of it. But yeah, these cards, this is the complete set, 30 of them. And maybe you just saw it, but there is 2 option cards, and if you go to the actual set, there is a lot more option cards. So a bit weird. Is a little weird which they did pick and which they didn't. And you also would think that maybe they would go for cards such as Agumon, you know, fan favorite Digimon and Greymon, but no, they actually started with the Kugumon and just kept them going until they hit the option cards. Question of course is, how would you get these? Would there have been a special edition of these blue boxes, you think, and suddenly all the cards were holos? Were one of those randomly inserted? No, it had nothing to do with this set at all. This is a completely different set to collect. It had nothing to do with the official original set. These actually came in special edition releases of Series 1 and 2 Booster Series. Now I have here with me, for instance, a Series 1 first edition box. This one, nothing special to it. This is just a regular 36 packs booster box from Series 1 first edition. So they're not included in this one. No. I do, however, have 2 different boxes here from Series 2. And you will see, the one has a yellow border, one has a orange border. They are included in these. Now, if we have a closer look, let's have a look on the orange box first. It will show you right there, look for 6 new holographic Power Boost insert foils. We have Gotsumon, Otamamon, Dokugumon, Mushamon, Ratmon and Chimeramon in this box. Now if you have a look at the yellow box, it will say different names. On this one there is Tordamon, Starmon, Geekumon, Triceramon, Piximon and Mega Kabuterimon. So there we go, that is 6 cards per box that will have this or these holo chase cards. Is the guarantee per box? No, there is 36 packs as well per box. It's not guaranteed that any of them will be included because these are Series 2. So you will have regular Series 2 boxes, which I also have a box of right here. And you will see that is a lot different. It has the same red art style to it, the same red colors. But of course the box display and the overlay is completely different. It doesn't have those cards popping out there. This is also a 24 pack box compared to the 36 packs. And right here it nowhere shows you that any cards are inserted, which is a mistake when I bought this box, thinking, oh, let's pull some of those holos. Mistake on my end, these do not have any of them. So yeah. Now this one is open, I still have the packs inside. You can also see that these have the regular red packs, which I really think are amazing looking, by the way, but doesn't have anything to do with that. Because the yellow box and the orange box, they have a different color to it. One being orange, one being yellow, of course. Now, I also know of a green box existing, or well, not the box, but the packs. I know that there is green packs. Those also have the holo inserts, and those are from Series 1. Just like this first edition box, so this has the original blue cards, or blue packs, which I don't have with me right now. But yeah, these do not have it. It's the green ones. The green cards, or the green packs are from Series 1, will have some of these included. And it will have 6 different cards as well, just like these two. So we know of those 3. So we have 6, 6, 6. That is 18. There is 30. That means that there is 12 cards, so 2 separate boxes. Where the hell are those? That's kind of the fun thing. No one knows. Nobody up to today, collectors like myself, can confirm where those other 12 come from. I mean, we do know, of course, that they come from boxes like this, but I myself never saw it with my own eyes that one of them existed. I do have seen these 2 boxes and the green packs, never seen a green box even. But the other 2, there is only speculation and rumors on what colors those are and what box holds which cards. Of course, there is 50-50 basically, because 6 cards in one, 6 in the other, but we don't know which 6 cards go in one and which other in the other box. So that is the mystery that the Digimon Digi-Battle card game still holds up to today, more than 20 years later, and that is only one of many mysteries on this TCD. Now I do want to talk about the differences between the original set, where these came from, as well as the holos, what the differences are. Let's take out Zudamon here, for instance, and Wagurumon, you know, 2 fan favorites from the anime. So the 2 holos, and then we'll go to the non-holo versions as well. Let me take them out. I have them all double sleeved, which is important to me. Now I do have the first edition on both cards and the unlimited. We'll take the unlimited because these cards, the holos, are always unlimited. One of the things that you have to keep in mind if you're looking for these. Now we have another couple of things that are different. So the non-holo version on the bottom, whilst the holo is on top. So the regular one has ST, which stands for Starter Pack or Starter Deck, 47, whilst the holo has ST47S. Now that second S on these cards, nobody really knows what it means or where it came from. Although I have seen people use the term silver line or silver print, but that has never been confirmed or never made official, so for all we know it could be a made up fan name. Who will tell? Who will tell? Now for the second difference between these cards, let's have a look at Zudamon. And then specifically his attack. On the right again the non-holo version and on the left the holo obviously. And perhaps you've already noticed it, but the highest attack on the holo version cards will have 10 points more in damage. So the non-holo here on the right, Vulcan's Hammer does 450 damage, whilst on the left, the holo version, Vulcan's Hammer does 460 damage. So if you ever want to play this game, or you did play the game back in the day, you would want these holo cards in your deck because, well, they do offer a bit of benefit because they do give you 10 points more in damage compared to the non-holo versions. But again, some are pretty hard to find, so you might as well just use these, which are everywhere. Anyway, that all being said, ladies and gents, a bit of a longer video perhaps, with a lot of information to throw at you at once, but I do hope that was informative, because I do very often come across people ask questions about a set, which cards were included, what the differences are, how to recognize them. So I hope that this video does explain it to you and that it gives you some examples. If it did, then please let me know in the comments down below. Leave me a little like, maybe subscribe as well for more Digimon Digi-Battle content or TCG content in general, because a lot more will be coming in the future, has already been posted as well. So, you know, be my guest and join the club. But that all being said, thank you for watching and we will see each other in the next video. Take care everybody. Bye bye!